This video features a testimonial from Gerawn Glass, a graduate of the Scholars International Institute of Technology, SIIT, part of the Alumni Testimonials for 2025-2026. Gerawn Glass, a telecommunications graduate, shares how this program transforms 20 years of field installation into real technical knowledge. He has gained a comprehensive understanding of telecoms industry structures, clear functions of the equipment, the topologies and fundamentals of voice/data communication, including network management, essential protocols like TCP/IP and SIP, analog versus digital signals, LAN, WAN, Ethernet, VoIP, wireless, optical networking, IP networking, plus network management. IP address calculations were the most challenging. The course also covered troubleshooting, voicemail systems, security, compliance, documentation, and vendor coordination. He now has a broad understanding of the field. Gain new skills or upgrade your existing ones today at the Scholars International Institute of Technology, SIIT.